शुक्रारा हळदोणच्या थळाव्या आमदार आणि वॉर्ड मेंबरांच्या हजेरेंत कालवे आणि खोर्जुव्या पुलाची तपासणी जाली. थळाव्यांच्या मागणेप्रमाण ही तपासणी जाल्या. ह्या पुलांचेर कांय वस्तूंची देखभाल घेवंक नाशिल्ल्यान नाशाडी जाल्या. कांय गैरप्रकार घडटात, तांचेर आळाबंद हाडपाच्या नदरेन शुक्रारा दोन्ही पुलांची पळोवणी केली. आरडेक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
You give no your plan of
Same, sir. Applying on whose name? Yes, she cannot apply.
Again the same.
No,
We
that's
are
it.
coming back to the same.
Listen. This is an internal problem because of your nonsense that is happening. I cannot suffer. I'm very sorry. I cannot suffer.
This application on
No.
whose name
Your
that MD has
internally
to decide.
others will bring it to the notice of CM. I'm going to have a meeting with my honorable Chief Minister, Manoj Parekar. And no, this is a very simple thing, but it's unnecessarily complicated because my people are suffering. My
We
concerns
had
are
even
suffering.
moved a file to government.
No. One thing. I will call a meeting. I will talk to my honorable CM. Okay, and I'll explain to him what is happening. You come with me. Chandra. Sorry, call.
Same connection which was existing to our new panels.
Korea.
Poira. Same Poira. Same thing. Now I think
Now, what is the solution to this? You come to the point. What is the solution? How I go about it? First step.
If they give connection to the panels, they can again.
Wait one moment. Can you give connection to the panels? No,
For the existing load, what is the
there's regarding the light problem here, which has not been lighting Koira Bridge, this bridge, as well as Kalvi Bridge. So we call Deputy Director of JIDC, Electrical in charge. Also we call AE Chandra, and Kaitan is here with the JE. So there's a problem between the internal problem because the bridge was constructed by JIDC, and thereafter they are supposed to hand over to PWD, and PWD has to hand it over to elect department. So this confusion is going on. There's something internal thing where they are supposed to rectify it. So this is happening quite now. There's just about 2 lights which are being lit. It's not enough. All the arrangements are made. In the meantime, also some all these boxes, what you call the panel boxes, are being broken by the people. So the main issue is that number one, I'm going to take up a meeting with I'm going to apprise my honorable Chief Minister that this is the issue, which is a very simple issue, but with his intervention, it will be resolved. I'm very confident of that. All the 3 bridges, and moreover, when it comes to my panels, this panel being broken by some miscreants. So this is a very important thing where we should put cages, put locks, put CCTVs, and nab those people are doing this. Finally, it is public money, and it is and no one can do with the government. It's a criminal offence. So these 2 issues I will take up, and I will try to resolve this matter as soon as possible within a period of less than a month. By talking to my honorable Chief Minister, my honorable Power Minister, as well as my honorable PW Minister. Both ways, no? You're talking both.
And you have to take your connection and later on you hand over.
Hand over and change over to
Change of name can be done.
If it's a defect liability, so I'm going to suffer for 5 years. You take the connection, no? You take the connection.
Yeah, then later on can be changed over.
You talk to him at the moment. Speak to him. Junction boxes. Okay, there are about 40 and 79 lights. So the main issue is to avoid all these things which is happening, reoccurring on and off, because my police, I've been telling them, they've been patrolling, but they cannot be stationary in this particular place. Of course, all census zones have been given to them, earmarked to them. But in spite, when they see the police, they all run away. So it's big difficult. So my request is to my honorable Chief Minister, which I will put forth to him, take his advice as well, also with the Power Minister, PW Minister, that we need to put CCTVs here. CCTVs to put here, and somehow that fear factor will be there, and we can nab those people. But finally, they're damaging public property, which is very, very wrong. It's not proper, it's a criminal offence, and tomorrow somebody can get a shock and can die. It's a danger to life and property, more to life. Main issue is we're having a lot of problem on this particular bridge. Now, after the inspection, I have realized that below there's a problem with the wire is burnt, the cable is burnt. So we have already spoken to Mr. Rao's person, Venkatra Rao's electrical person, and instruct him to do that. He should change those cables, take it a little on top, and as per the direction of the department, elect department, they said he will do it within a couple of days time as the quotation has been done. That's one thing. Secondly, when we came here on top, now there are almost about 40 junction boxes which were repaired on and off, but every time these miscreants again who come here,